Today, I'll show you how to install APK files or unknown apps on your TECNO Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. APK files are those apps that are not found on your Google Play Store or maybe the App Center. So all you want to do is open a browser of your choice and type in the name of that particular app that you want to install, that particular APK, and find the trusted site where you can get that or download that APK from and tap on it. Then you want to select download. Now you'll be prompted that this file might be harmful and you'll be asked whether you're sure you want to install that particular APK from that particular site. So if you're sure, to simply tap on download anyway, and once the APK is downloaded, you can simply tap on open from here, and it's going to give you this prompt asking you to give this particular app, which is Chrome, permissions to install unknown apps. Now if you find this app in the file manager, go to the file manager and find the app under the downloads folder. If you tap on it, this prompt will be for the file manager application. So all you want to do is tap on settings, and it's directly going to take you to this option, allow from this source. And once you toggle this option on, this prompt to install the APK is going to come up. Simply select install, and your APK is going to be downloaded onto your phone. Now you can either tap on open from there, or you can go back to the app drawer and find your APK downloaded right here. Now it's important that once you're done installing APKs from let's say the Chrome or that particular app you installed it from, to go into settings, and under settings you want to go to the app management, and under app management you want to tap on app list. Then you want to scroll down and find that particular app which you installed the APK from and tap on it. Then you want to scroll down and select install unknown apps, and you want to toggle this option off to prevent automatically downloading APKs accidentally. But that's basically how to install APKs or unknown apps on your TECNO Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.